Look at the heat on this metal. It's completely warped. Yeah.
And the mount itself, totally twisted. I wonder what happened here.
The texture underneath is incredible. It looks almost new.
Yes, she is doing a wonderful job clearing the soot from the roof.
Look at how thick that is. It's really coming off now.
Yeah, that brush is doing some work. We'll be here a while. It's really working on the heavy grime.
Yeah, that looks a lot better now. Look how clean that is getting. The orange is really popping now. Look at how fast that comes off.
Yeah, it was really bad before.
Look at that rust coming right off. Still, these dents tell a story, don't they? We're making progress now.
The grime is gone, but the years of decay are still here. See that dent?
We're making good progress on the headlight now. The grime is lifting nicely, revealing the smooth glass underneath.
Look at how the metal is slowly revealing itself beneath all this thick grime. The texture here is incredible.
This char on the hood goes deep. We'll need extensive panel work here.
And the dent on the door isn't superficial. The engine bay looks salvageable, though.
The corrosion on these brake lines is extensive.
Yes, and the frame rails are completely shot here. We'll need to reinforce this section.
See how the rust just flakes away here. That's finally loose. Let's get the next one. Look at the corrosion here. See the layers of charred paint underneath the grime? This metal is heavily damaged.
Right here, this connector is completely charred, and you can see the corrosion starting on the metal bracket. It's quite extensive.
The extent of the fire damage is clear. We'll have to source new panels.
Yes, and the wiring harness is completely shot. We start with the cleanup tomorrow.
Look at the buildup here. That's definitely causing the blockage.
Yes, and this gasket is completely fried from the heat. We'll need to clean this thoroughly.
We are making good progress on this section. You can really see the difference between the pitted rust and the fresh metal emerging now.
We are finally getting down to the raw steel beneath all this heavy rust. The depth of the corrosion was significant, but it's smoothing out nicely now.
We're almost through the heavy pitting here. See how smooth that is. Just this last bit by the marker light, then we can wipe it down.
Look at that coming through. The pitting here is quite deep. Yeah, but the thickness seems all right. We are almost down to bare metal on this side.
The penetration looks good on that lower joint. Make sure you fill the edges completely.
Copy that. Moving up now.
The penetration looks solid here.
Yes, the alignment on the new panel is perfect. The structure is much stronger now. The tension is releasing nicely here.
Yes, the shape is starting to form along the edge. Just a little more on that high spot.
See the corrosion right here? We'll get that spot. The rest is looking good.
Feel the grain on this rubber hose. Much better tensile strength.
Yes, and the threading on the clamps is precise. This will fit perfectly.
Okay, bring the torque wrench up slowly. We need exactly 200 Newton meters on this one.
Make sure that edge is completely sealed.
Yeah, I'm using the roller now. It's looking good against the orange frame.
Just overlapping the previous pass. Making sure the coat is perfectly uniform across the edge.
The coverage looks consistent across the surface.
Agreed. The smoothness around these contours is excellent.
The flow is so smooth here. See the evenness across the panel. We have excellent consistency on this coat.
See how it wraps around the edge there? The consistency is perfect for this gloss.
The richness is exactly what we wanted.
Flawless coverage. The gloss is holding up nicely.
Look at that gloss. So smooth, like glass. The reflection is absolutely perfect. The gloss level here is absolutely perfect.
Well, yes, the color uniformity is flawless, even in the recesses.
The clarity on this lens is perfect now. See how smoothly that aligns? The wiring is completely secure.
Look at that gap, absolutely perfect. Yes.
Yes, the fitment here is seamless.
And the paintwork, incredible smoothness.
The oil level is precise. Now adding the coolant slowly. Hoses are tight. All fluids are exactly where they should be.
We spent hours polishing this intake manifold. See how the light catches the chrome. Everything is...
The water flow is perfect here. See how it sheets off the ceramic coating? Look at that shine.
The rotation is incredibly smooth.
Suspension response looks perfect. No issues with the alignment.
The alignment is spot on and the tire grip is excellent.
Absolutely, the engine response is flawless, a complete success.
Look at that reflection, it's absolutely perfect.
The alignment on the panels is even better than factory standard. We really brought this one back to life.
The detail on the badge is just perfect now.
And the paintwork, the depth of this orange is absolutely flawless.
From rusted to showroom quality. Look at this finish. The alignment is perfect.
And the paintwork is flawless, absolutely stunning.
Look at that finish. The orange just pops under these lights.
And the panel gaps are absolutely perfect. It's incredible work.
The flawless paint and the precision work here really brought it back from the dead.
Absolutely. The journey was long, but look at the details now. It's showroom ready.
Right. The restoration on this TGX is just superb. Look at the depth in the orange paint.
And the chrome is absolutely pristine.
We are incredibly proud of the symmetry and structural precision achieved here.
And the flawless orange finish, it's deeper than the original factory coat.
We spent weeks getting this panel alignment perfect.
The structural precision is unmatched.
And the paint.
We really brought this one back from the dead. The symmetry is perfect now.
And the paint gloss is incredible under these lights. The mirror finish on this cab is flawless. You can practically see your reflection.
It is incredible. The mechanicals are just as precise as the paintwork.